Hey guys, John again from SoundShield. So I want to show you one of our most popular products. This is called Contour. So what you're gonna get this beautiful box. And I kind of, if you notice something about SoundShield, man, we work really hard on our packaging because we want it to be beautiful, want the customer feel like they get some value. So what Contour is basically when you open up the box, you're gonna get a couple things. So you're gonna get our cool little wavy pads. These are gonna go behind the driver. So after you sound treat your door, these will go right behind the driver. This is gonna help break up some standing waves back there. So you can get 4 pads of those for your woofers. Set those aside. And now you're gonna get your wavy strips. So the wavy strips here, these are made of a closed cell acoustic foam, super squishy, okay? Now this is important because of what it's gonna do. Basically, these can go up to a 6x9 or 8-inch or whatever, and then you can trim them down, whatever you need to do. So what this does is it's gonna take, so imagine this is your door, you got your speaker in here. After the speaker's installed, we're gonna adhere this to outside, like right over the screw holes of your speaker, right? And then what that's gonna do is be mounted there, and then when you put your door panel on, this is gonna squish and couple this to the door. This is gonna help with some vibration, it's gonna help force some sound inside. So you can kind of see, that's why we make it so squishy, is you're able to squish that door panel back on. And now you have this nice gasket that's gonna help push that in. A lot of guys have been using this on the dash as well for like, say your 3 inches or your, you have like a mid driver like a Dodge Ram or Tundra, and then you can have these up in the dash, and this is gonna help eliminate some of that grill rattle. So this is just a really great product. It's closed cell acoustic foam again, so it's waterproof. Don't have to worry about it weighing down in the door or anything like that. And we give you 6 strips, and the reason why is you can do a 3-way set if you had up front, or you can do component sets, and so you'd have your mid, your tweet, and then say a coaxial on the rear. So this is an amazing product. Everybody loves it. It's a great add-on for your client. Just kind of finishes it off. And then again, this is why we did so much like effort into the box, because a lot of times, your customer isn't seeing all this other stuff, but this could be the finale, like, hey, we're gonna finish off your install with this. And then they feel like they're getting some value out of that. And it does add value. So anyway, try Contour out. It's a really cool product. It looks awesome in the doors. Take some pics, tag us in there. We'll definitely share your stuff on all of our socials. And let me know what you think. All right, guys.